Thanks for stopping by the channel. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, so you can keep yourself posted of what I'm going to be posting in this website, in our channel. Today I'm going to go over a little bit on Google Sites, how to create a Google Sites, and the basics of it. So let's just dive it in. First thing that you're going to do is you type Google Sites. You can just Google Sites and Google, and you're going to see there Google Sites. So just a few things. So this is the interface of Google Sites. These are all the recent sites that I created already here. There is a blank site, event, holiday party, photo, portfolio. So there's some already templates gallery here. There's more templates if you click on the template gallery. There is like hideout templates if you want to. There is a menu here too that can drive to the classic sites and the sites that we are right now. I don't have any classic sites here to create. And the new Google Sites, that's the one that I'm giving the tutorial, giving you a lot of tips on how to create. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do here, I will go and create a blank site. Just make sure that you are logged in your Google account, which is supposed to be your Gmail account. Alright, so there's a blank website. Right now it isn't titled, it doesn't have anything. There is a publish button here. There's more buttons on the top menu here, and there's an insert pages and themes. You can change the sites, your work, you can change the template if you want, just by clicking on it. There is a color scheme of that template already available for you. There's a font style. There's a lot of things available for you, but I'm gonna go with a simple, and we're gonna go from there. All right, so first thing that I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna rename my sites by writing test sites 2023. And I'm gonna can type here. I can type the name of the sites here if I want to. Well, let's just have a little bit more fun with this. There's a text box, an image, connection to my Google Drive. There's an embed button here. There's a content block. So content blocks are very, very useful for you, and I will show you how that works as well. A lot of things that you can add it on. You can embed slides, Google Sheets and forms and charts. There is social links that you can add it as well. When you click, insert here, when you click on the contents block, for example, if you click on this one here, the content block is going to show this, is going to appear here for you. On the content box you have the plus button, you can click it on it, and you can upload an image or select an image or an image that you have in a Google Drive. You can add a YouTube video as well, a calendar. It has a text here as well that I can add images, or I can add text inside. The block, as you can see, I'm going to click outside here. The block, you will show this little dots here. When I click on here, you can see the entire block is selected with this blue outline. If I want to delete the block, I just click the delete button. Okay, and so I can add many blocks as I want to. So this facilitates on how to create the templates. Also, you can rearrange the blocks by just selecting the dots on the side and just rearranging. You can see the blue line, and this block is gonna go to that location. Okay. You also can copy and paste by using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. You can copy as many blocks as you want to. All right, let me just delete all these blocks, and let's start with a different block. So I have this block here. I can resize the contents of each block by just dragging it. Okay. I can delete specific parts of it, you can see here. And I can copy and paste the contents as well. Okay. Let me do this block and add another block. All right, so I just add an image here. I'm going to just write image 1. I'm going to image 2. I'll just add an image here. Let's see, this image, and I'm going to add another image. Right there, so I have 2 images here. Image 1 and image 2. I also can add an image on a header by just, I can select a header type, okay, choose what type of header I want, a big header or smaller. I wanted the banner header, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add an image. My header type there. And I'm going to write test site 2023. I can change the font by just selecting it and change the font. Great. All right. So I also can embed any HTML code inside of my my website. Let me just go to YouTube, grab a HTML code by clicking here, share. I'm gonna get this embed. I can get the embed, or I can get the link straight from the browser, from the internet address. So I'm going to use embed here. You see by URL or by embed code, but I have the URL. I embedded. So now I have a YouTube site here. Or I can choose images from my drive. Okay. All right, so let's see what I can do here. I can add buttons, dividers, spacers. Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add pages to the website. Okay. So select pages here. I'm going to click on plus, and I'm going to add a page called About. There's an advanced tab here. I have About, and you can see when I created a page, the menu shows up on the top, and it showed my first page called About. I can add some pages to the About. Let's see, CV. If I create a page that called CV, I can drag this page under the About, so they become a sub-page. So you can see here, it created a menu that when I go to About, the CV shows. If I don't want that to become a sub-page, I just need to leave it one side by side. Okay, let me delete this CV by just clicking the 3 dots and clicking delete. All right, so what's other things here that I can do? I think that's kind of pretty much it. And I have themes, inserts, there's buttons. I can have slides here. I can just find the slides in my my drive by just clicking the slides here and find the slides that I have and just clicking on right there. So these slides got added. One thing to notice is that the slides needs to be available for the public. It cannot be on private, otherwise you're not going to be able to see it. Okay. All right, so that site is already good. It's good to go. Everything's organized. What I'm going to do here now is, before I publish the sites, I needed to go to share with others. When I click on share with others, I need to make sure that the site is not restricted, but the site is public. Okay? Public to others, people to view. This is very, very important. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to publish the site. Other people are not going to be able to see it. So now the website's created, and I will go ahead and publish. Because the website's new, there aren't any name in the website. I'm going to type test, site test 2023. Somebody already taken this address, and I'm going to put 2023 again. All right, so this is available. Other thing that I can do here too is to have a custom domain. I can pay for one custom domain, so that will not have sites google.com in the name of sites. I can also work with this, request public search engines to not display my sites. And I want people to Google the websites. That's what I want. It's what I'm going to do here now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to publish. After publishing, the website's already published. As right there, everything is fine. And I'm going to go ahead and I will view the website by clicking the side button, the side arrow goes down, and I view publish website. When I click in publish websites, the website's right there published with everything that I can access. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Here's the website address. I can copy this and I can share with other people. Cool. So I hope you enjoy it. Take advantage of this website. It's really, really, really simple, really easy to play with it. And please subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for stopping by, and I see you later.